Hello, my name is Brent Liu. I'm a wheel-loader specialist at SEM Machinery, a Caterpillar brand. Today, it is my privilege to highlight the benefits of using 655D wheel-loader. I'm also going to do a walk-around tour to show you how amazing this wheel-loader is and what it can do for you. The main reasons you should use 655D are its exceptional reliability and its impressive productivity with efficient fuel consumption. The machine is easy to operate and comfortable too. 655D wheel-loader is clearly a super machine that uses top-class Caterpillar technology, suited for heavy-duty long-term operation in harsh work conditions. Okay, let's talk. Let's go for a walk around. We'll start with engine. .655D features a 162 kW WDC engine running at 2000 RPM. The engine is carefully matched with the torque converter to provide its optimal power and productivity. SEM has worked closely with the engine manufacturer for enhancement that improves fuel efficiency. You can get about 5% fuel saving by low-speed engine and E-fan. The engine also maintains lower noise levels. It is suitable for heavy dusty conditions. Engine maintenance is made easily through using common parts and a large opening hood side door. 655D cooling package designed by Caterpillar engineering team delivers excellent performance and fantastic reliability over time. This cooling package can balance oil and coolant temperature to increase durability, environmental adaptability. Caterpillar suspension designs reduce vibration to deliver high reliability, and the special seal design prevents hot air return, increased cooling efficiency. This wheel-loader is so reliable due to its Caterpillar designed cooling system that ensures continuous heavy-duty work. 655D countershaft transmission is produced in-house by SEM. Caterpillar's own product and quality system are used. Double the lifetime means longer repair intervals for the transmission. A larger impulse in first gear, higher speed in second gear provide more efficiency for load and carry applications. Gear shift quality and modulation has been improved, which means the transmission is more reliable and easier to operate. 655D equipped high-efficiency torque converter, efficiency up to 84%. The separated torque converter and transmission design ensure the repair and maintenance is much better. The front and middle drive shafts are connected with the bearing block. This design ensures a long life for drive shaft. The amazing 28-ton payload axle, 8 teeth barrel gears, and 4 planetary funnel reducer designed to provide a much reliable solution. The large diameter disc increases braking torque. The holes on axle seals improves the cooling performance, with the longer life for seals. SO28 axle delivers durability over the long term, even under heavy-duty circumstances. 2 pumps with a flow sharing system is maximum fuel saving, faster hydraulic cycle time. There is a pilot oil filter located before the pilot valve that reduces contamination-related failures of the hydraulic system. World-class permeable pumps signifies high efficiency and reliability. 655D's hydraulic cycle time is only 9.3 seconds. The articulation joint uses a tapered roller bearings to improve roller capacity. 655D bucket provides fuel factors up to 110%. This allows for more material handling, which largely improves productivity. The curved sidebar bucket design allows for the bucket to hold more material. A large mouth opening, longer floor design make material load easier. The spare guard protects the bucket pin areas. The bucket and lift arm pins feature O-rings outside and lift up packing inside for additional protection. You will notice the solid structure of this machine to ensure whole structure working well in all working conditions. Finite element analysis on machine stress analysis has been performed on the entire structure under comprehensive load conditions to ensure a robust product that will not let you down. We will keep the best for the last. Let's show you the amazing, comfortable, easy-to-use operator cable of the 655D. The new design cable provides more interior space for extras operate comfortable with this significant improvement of visibility. The present 6-direction adjustable suspension seat with armrests and a seat belt guarantees extra operator comfort for less stress and fatigue. For operator comfort, you simply can't get better. A generation cable provides best-in-class comfort visibility, coupled with single-level shifting control. Joystick pilot control is simple and relaxed. Just look at the luxurious interiors, enhanced design, says stylish and hardworking. The easy sliding windows provide excellent ventilation, and the anti-fog air conditioning system features 7 air vents for great comfort. The cab has sufficient space for the operators to store their items easily. Also inside the cab is a 3-alarm level instrument panel. Your operators are going to love using 655D from the comfort of the world-class cab. There you have it, from your trust names in the best, affordable, hard-working machinery, the 655D payloader, backed by the mighty Caterpillar. Until we meet again, bye-bye.